One, two, three, start. Good morning, dear children. Welcome to computer class. Today we are going to start lesson 6, creating presentations. In class 3 and 4, we have already studied MS PowerPoint. Today we can just recollect all the things that we have already studied about MS PowerPoint. First, let us check how to open MS PowerPoint. For that, first we have to click on Start button and then select MS Office. MS Office, and under MS Office we can see MS PowerPoint 2010. Just click on it. MS PowerPoint window come like this. Okay, as you know, MS PowerPoint is a presentation software. What is the use of presentations? Using presentations, we can explain, teach, or advertise new ideas. So presentation softwares are used to make presentations. Using presentations, we can teach, explain, or advise certain thoughts or ideas. Using presentation softwares, we can teach, explain, or advertise certain thoughts or ideas. Clear? So when we open MS PowerPoint window look like this. Okay, and at the top you can see a quick access toolbar. Okay, you can see a PowerPoint icon, then save, undo, redo. Okay, this part is called quick access toolbar, and quick access toolbar is used to place frequently using commands. The commands that we use frequently can be placed in quick access toolbar. Near quick access toolbar, you can see title bar. Title bar contains name of the program and name of the file. And the title bar also consists of minimize, maximize and close button. Minimize, maximize and close button. Below title bar, we can see some text like file, home, insert, design, etc. And these are called tabs. Okay, these are called tabs. And below, when we click a tab, we can see groups under that tab. Okay, when we click home tab, we can see groups like clipboard, slides, phone, paragraph, etc. All these are called groups. Okay, so these tabs and groups allows us to access tools available in PowerPoint. Okay, these tabs and groups allows us to access tools, options or commands present under each tab. Okay, so tabs and groups together known as what? Ribbon. Okay, below ribbon we can see work area, and this work area is divided into two pane. Okay, left pane and right pane. Left pane and right pane. Okay, work area is divided into two sections or two panes. Now one is left pane and second is right pane. Okay, left pane is also called what? Left pane is also called slides pane. Okay, left pane is also called slides pane. Okay, and this left pane or slides pane displays all the slides present in that particular presentation in a miniature form. Okay, in a small in a miniature form or in a thumbnail form. Okay, so here we have only one slide in this particular presentation. If we add more slides, see, all the slides are displayed in the slides pane. See, now this particular presentation consists of 5 slides. All the slides are displayed in the slide pane in the form of thumbnails. And this Slide pane also consists of two tabs. One is slides tab and another one outline tab. Slide span and outline tab. Okay, slide span displays a miniature form of all the slides present on this particular presentation. Outline tab displays all the text matters that we have typed in each slide. All the text matters, not picture, all the text matters. Okay, outline tab shows only the text matters. Now I am going to type something in this particular slide. See, that is displayed over here. If I type something in the first slide, that will be displayed here. Okay, so outline tab displays only the text matters. But if we place any pictures, see, for example, in the first slide, I am going to insert one picture. Okay, see, I'm going to insert one picture. See, I have already, so I have placed one picture here. It will not be displayed in the outline tab. It will not be displayed in the outline tab. When we click slide tab, see, we can see actual slide in the right hand side, but in the left pane, we can see the miniature form of the slide, including pictures. Okay, whatever we have given, whatever we have inserted in that particular slide is displayed in the slides pane also. Okay, when we click slides tab, but when we click outline tab, it shows only the text matters, okay, that we have typed in the slide. Okay, clear? Okay, only this much for today. In the next class, we can start next topic. Okay, children, read the textbook. Thank you so much. Bye.